Lee County deputies are looking for these two. They're riding around and knocking down fences near construction sites. This is happening in the Portico community off Buckingham Road. NBC2's Alex Howard reports on the search for the vandals.
Well, deputies say it happened here at the Portico community in unincorporated Fort Myers. They say two people came in on an ATV doing more than $1,000 of damage to a construction site here.
We do fortunately have some video of these kids, so we have at least we have an idea of who they are.
At the Portico community in Lee County, construction is booming. But people here say these job sites are plagued with a problem.
When they cause that kind of damage and then they took off, somebody has to pay the price for that.
Crime Stoppers says the two people on this ATV are trespassing and also knocked down a section of this white fence.
So you've got multiple problems here. Yes, you've got them driving these ATVs on public roads. That's a no-no. You've got them driving these ATVs on private property. That's a no-no. And then they cause damage to boot.
Now they're offering $3 grand to anyone who knows these two bold enough to wave at the camera before zipping off on their four-wheeler.
We think these kids are probably going to be local. Someone's going to know who they are. Right now, we just need the public to reach out and let us know who they are.
In Lee County, Alex Howard, NBC2.